case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1929, the New Hampshire Supreme Court heard the case of Hawkins v. McGee, which centered on the concept of damages in contract law. The plaintiff had undergone surgery to remove scar tissue from his hand, with the defendant, a doctor, guaranteeing a perfect or good hand as a result. However, the plaintiff experienced pain and negative effects on his hand following the surgery and claimed that the doctor's guarantee had induced him to undergo the operation. The court examined whether a contract was formed based on the doctor's guarantee and, if so, how damages should be calculated in case of breach. While the doctor's estimated recovery time was considered an estimate, his guarantee of a perfect or good hand could be construed as a contractual warranty. The Supreme Court found that the lower court had applied the wrong rule for calculating damages and overturned the verdict, considering the defendant's request for instructions inaccurate and misleading. The court ultimately decided that the true measure of damages should be based on the difference in value between a perfect hand and the plaintiff's hand, excluding pain during surgery. The case was retried with this focus on damages calculation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.